let's keep it moving. Give me scary when I beg a movie. Yes, a sentini from an apple pill to see. No more ngati, no pizza so ya dollar. When ungati, yes, no born. But ungapi, pele kanda kwegi.
Samanani Dumelang Absheni, this is your Soweto Queen, Untomlayise, Nyanbingelela 111 on PSC channel Guard by Notice. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Today we're on special edition, we're on first name basis, Peter Utapelo, hashtag TP97. What up, what up? Please introduce yourself and usichele ukuthi usiphathekeni namuhla.
Okay, Sanibonani njani lapho, and blessed to be here representing Komora Wafetu Neso Production, TP97. I hope by the name, stage name TP97. So basically, ngizwane khulile kahle yabona. Alex, yeah, kulena abantu abafana yabona leka. Kulena abafana 99 and your Michael Push and stuff. Yabona. Papa I want to like Alex it's a kasi with my talented individuals. So I feel welcome to be here.
That's what's up.
So yeah, shout out to this party and everything. So like I'm blessed to be here. So basically TP97, if I were to break down the name.
Yeah.
So TP is my initials. I mean Tapelo Crazy. So the 97 is the last two digits on my year of birth, which is 1997. So I combine that to form TP97. So I've worked with my squad, which is Neso Production. So my chef will actually be a Tolagale platform and stuff. You know? So basically, for now, TP97, on his Facebook page, you can catch me on Tapelo my name. So when I page in Lami, my profile picture for now is forgetting my rate. Now I'm going to ship us. Yeah. So I'll tell me to do it for the half and stuff, for the shield and stuff. The reality, it's a powerful poetic individual. So long live Chico Azania. Yeah, so yeah, I'll tell you the money. I'm bringing out some fresh nice stuff. The next coming year.
Alright guys, njengoba shilo Mr. TP97 uye lona uzonikeza i-epic performance eshisayo. I hope nithande nazo.
Yena uyangithanda uyazi ngiyamgcwala kanti ufuna ukudlala ngami ufuna ungenza itrophy uhamba ucoma ngami ubukisana ngami kodwa ngiyazi one day uzongikhumbula lalela abangani lokho bakujuta ngoba impatho yami yoni yakudlula hamba juba phambili bayokucutha kodwa ngiyazi one day uzongikhumbula lapha impilo rough uzongifuna ngoba impatho yami yakudlula hamba juba phambili bayokucutha I just wanna be with you wena ufuna dala ngasitshala lehlahla mara ngisivuna lokhu phiza uzula umhlaba wena ukhulu saphiza udlala ama-games wena ukhulu phiza umosha isikhathi sami wena ngihloniphe ungifakela ama-haters obucareless bakho uma ngisesispanini wena ngibackstep bengabona ukuthi uswayini kumele ngikuyele Yena uyangithanda uyazi ngiyamgcwala kanti ufuna ukudlala ngami ufuna ungenza itrophy uhamba ucoma ngami ubukisana ngami kodwa ngiyazi one day uzongikhumbula lalela abangani bakujuta ngoba impatho yami yoni yakudlula hamba juba phambili bayokucutha yazi bengukuthanda wena konke lokhu ngitshela khona vele wama promise me the moon and stars you said you never change buka lokho lothando bela ukhona engathi asekho ayi mina ngifuna i-next ungiphathisa i-stress samile ukuphatha grand manje ngifuna ucash beka konke la kumdala uzongenzela iplan usikhethela impilo erafu nama-complication buka manje ngicruising nginesquad sami push impilo yami hoping one day nami ngiyophila i-soft life namajitami manje ufuna ukubuya mina ngiyakusaba Yena uyangithanda uyazi ngiyamgcwala kanti ufuna ukudlala ngami ufuna ungenza i-truth uhamba ucoma ngami ubukisana ngami kodwa ngiyazi one day uzongikhumbula lalela abangani ngabangajuta ngoba impatho yami yona iyakudlula abajuba phambili bayokucutha uyangithanda yamqala ufuna ungenza nangami kodwa ngiyazi one day lalela abangani ngoba impatho yami yona iyakudlula abajuba phambili bayokucutha Ngibonga umdala nabaphansi ukuthi basangqingile no matter how many times I fail but I will never quit lo mhlaba unameva uyahlaba kudla wena ngicela ukhuleke ngilokhu ngiyaphusha ngiyaphana siyongifica nami isikhathi sami themba konke kuzolunga konke kuzolunga ungantwana ya themba kuzolunga konke kuzolunga Themba wonke kuzolunga Themba kuzolunga ungantwana ya wonke kuzolunga Themba kuzolunga yeah asibonge life ngoba sonke sifisa impilo emnandi no need to hate asiphakamisane kube mnandi no need to fake ashema kukhona kube mnandi umakhelwane seka munye ukuthi yini nama ngazi ignore the vibe ngoba mina full uwenza imali build a place ngaphansi ngiphethe underground ingane yase hometown 10 slot ntwana ngeke ungenze next yeah shizizolo mele umuntu ayospana isikhathi asikumele umuntu ayophanta angihlezi bitch igijimisa leli saga na wonke umuntu manje ufuna nanezaka all alone by myself don't want no problems now you been telling all I don't want you sorry and now I'm coming on my way as I pray for better days tell my mama don't you worry I'm gonna make it Ngibonga umdala nabaphansi ukuthi basangqingile no matter how many times I fail but I will never quit lo mhlaba unameva uyahlaba kudla wena ngicela ukhuleke ngilokhu ngiyaphusha ngiyaphana siyongifica nami isikhathi sami themba konke kuzolunga konke kuzolunga ungantwana ya themba kuzolunga konke kuzolunga Themba wonke kuzolunga Themba kuzolunga ungantwana ya konke kuzolunga Themba kuzolunga sina sibongela konke kuzolunga ungantwana ya Themba kuzolunga konke kuzolunga tunasibongela Themba wonke kuzolunga Themba kuzolunga ungantwana ya konke kuzolunga Themba kuzolunga
bonke kuzolunga TP97 Dango. So the next track I'm about to perform is the track titled Abalele Ngokuthuya. So basically this track happens a few months ago. It was taught by Nest Soft Production Host. So the track emayelana ngabantu asebashiya emhlabeni. So i-tribute ye-track ukuthi wonke umuntu makayimamele him or her they are related kuyo because we hold to the same sinabo yabona. So I hope ukuthi yabagaba abantu ukuthi bangastress that much. They must accept ukuthi emhlabeni so sizovaya sizeyisi sizothuna sizovaya yabona. But then ubuhlungu bona sokuzwa but we must keep on going. So I'm about to perform abalale ngokuthula for putting in the down.
There comes a time in life where we lose people that we love, people that we cherish, people that mean the world to us. Ekunzima kona kodwa mele hlezi khuleke hlezi sibathanda ohlezi bayingxenye impilo zethu TP97. Yeah, isakhumbula wonke amazwi akho akulomhlaba kekho umunye oyofana nawo bashiya sonke singaqabanga bengazi kufika la sengiguqelana ethunini lakho njengoba ungeka feel so empty mina enhlizweni yami bentutuza but give strong kodwa mina ngikwazi ngithemba ukuthi nane silonda siyophola nakho so when I close my eyes I see your face each and every time I seem you gone manje nane izinto azisafani nathemba uhlezi unathi mihla namalanga sipolisela naphambili angeke thina sikhohlwe ngani I know it's hard but I have to accept intando kaGod ayikho nami ngizoyenza you forever my king I mean a father to me lapho khona lazo udaba mina uhlezi ngisalute andlale ngoxolo wake up every day wishing you be here next to me inhliziyo ihlala ikhala njalo ngoba thina siyanikhumbula ngisho noma impilo yami ngabanjani ibeka lonke ukholo lwami ngicela ushwele kuye yena umdali abalale ngokuthula wangasiko lalani ngokuthula wangasiko abalale ngokuthula wangasiko abalale ngokuthula wangasiko sizohlala sinkumbuze kube kunaphaka angoshe baba cela usithethelele isono zethu wake up every day wishing you be here next to me inhliziyo ihlala ikhala njalo ngoba thina siyanikhumbula ngisho noma impilo yami ngabanjani ibeka lonke ukholo lwami ngicela ushwele kuye yena umdali abalale ngokuthula wangasiko lalani ngokuthula wangasiko abalale ngokuthula wangasiko abalale ngokuthula wangasiko
CP97 check ngomara represent Soweto down.
I-performance yethu ihambe kanjena siceda ukubona Mr. TP ashaya izinto zakhe. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for blessing us with an amazing performance. Njengoba ngishilo igama lami nguNtombikayise and this is 1-on-1 mawufuna ukuthola eSoweto esithothini kaBuyelo but asikayivali episode yethu. Okay, this is TP guys. I just want to ask you a few questions. So what are you currently working on?
Okay, for now it's TP97. I'm working on painting brand. For now, I want to build a brand. As you can see, like no Sasha cut and paste and stuff.
Yeah,
so
DIY.
I'm willing to evolve in the clothing industry. Representing TP97 as an artist. So I wanna grow. Like I'm willing to learn. I'm a person who I'm willing to learn. I'm not necessarily sharp. but then I'm willing to do it. But then for now, I'm focusing on the and then not to forget, I have an EP titled Consider 8 tracks. So we only produce the software machine beats. So I'm currently now working with it. Sisifunda obvious ngeke abantu into ongekho sure uyabona so no I just wanna more ngithola ngipolish brand abantu so I'm focusing on do my paperwork and stuff and like really was doing about because like it hurts when about they hear from my music and then find it. So to me it's a downfall, but then it's a lesson. So yeah, I'm basically working on the paperwork and stuff. And then yeah, so I'm trying to be on my platform, but for now, I'm trying on Facebook. Page like is TP97 at the same. TP97 space at the same. It's all like that. And then my page now, Chapelo space money. It's all like that. So yeah, basically, yeah, that's what booking is. My booking is one caller go my email. Email is Chapelo Malinga 97 at gmail.com. That's my email. So via WhatsApp business, via WhatsApp uthola kula ma number now 072 673 1935. That's 072 673 1935. So you told TP97 that. So you told that so ringing business, no fun kuka, and got a crane, shine the sharp.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Chapelo. Thank you so much for coming. Unfortunately, we have reached the end of our episode. Njengoba ngishilo igama lami nguNtomikayise and mawufuna uzongithola eSoweto eSithothini Kabiyelo.
Kabiyelo.
Abo.